Hi everyone, we are going to unbox the iPad Air, the new one, the 4th generation. I just bought it, and the Apple Pencil 2nd generation. That I believe is a good purchase. I'm an artist. I draw usually paper, so I'm a traditional artist. I will show you something that I draw. For example, I draw in my normal sketchbook. I have art of any kind. Usually I draw portraits and I really enjoy it. But I want to try something else, digital art. I have tried it, but I never found the right tool for drawing digitally. But after seeing the products of Apple, I really was amazed, because the quality is very good. I believe I can achieve almost the same on Apple iPad Air, because I can zoom there. Here I cannot zoom in my sketchbook. So I believe it will be good drawing on it too. So let's unbox this iPad. Okay, let's start. I believe it's better to start with Apple Pencil because it's smallest and I can do it immediately. Okay, we have the plastic here, so just I need to take this off. First Apple product that I ever unbox, seemingly. Maybe I have to put out this bad guy, but he's not needed anymore. So we unpack these things, and here is the Apple Pencil. There is a plastic thing here. Just put it out. Okay. This is my first unboxing, so be good with me. Okay, designed by Apple in California. Yeah, we have some stuff here and things that I don't know if someone reads. I will take a look later maybe, but let's see only this one. Okay, double touch. And here is the tip that I can remove when it gets damaged. Okay, let's put these things aside again. And here it is, the Apple Pencil 2nd generation. I have used it, of course, but in the shops. I never had a thing like this for myself. Okay, Apple ink. Okay, this is the Apple Pencil 2nd generation. Have a very nice design. I like it. It's very comfortable in the hand when you want to draw, and have the magnets here so I can attach it to the iPad. Okay, we have already the Apple Pencil. Let's put it here. And now the big guy, 64 GB, because I believe it's the best for an artist, because I'm an artist. I'm going to draw on it mostly, and I will use the USB Type-C for having some extra storage on it. So you can find now the USB Type-C 64 GB with €20, $20 or $25, something like this. So they are very cheap, and it's better to buy a USB Type-C than to buy an iPad with 256 GB or 128 GB the iPad Pro. So this is the Apple iPad Air 4. Now I will get it off. It's very tight, believe me. Yeah, I did it. Okay, here it is. It is the iPad. iPad there. Okay, let's get it off. Put it here one moment. Okay, designed by Apple in California. Paperwork here, a lot of stuff. And I know they put some stickers too. These are the stickers. I don't know if someone used them. I don't know if I'm going to use them. The stickers. Here the paperwork. So, every language I believe. And here is the charger, is a fast one. And the USB Type-C cable. That is very good. So this is the charger. Have the entering in USB Type-C. Okay. And the cable. Of course I'm going to use this iPad mostly for drawing because I'm an artist, as I said. So let's put aside these things. Yeah, I took the space gray because I like it very much. I believe it's one of the most pleasant colors for an iPad, but even the other colors are very good. Here is the Touch ID. Looks like glass actually, and here is the volume buttons. Now I'm going to unpack this thing. Now I'm going to take off the plastic bag. That is not needed. And here it is, the iPad. Bro, what is this? This is dirt. I don't know. I have a thing here. Let's clean it a little bit. Looks nice. Looks nice because I tried in the shop. They had a model there for you to try. I believe it's a very, very good iPad. Not only for drawing, but for many things, actually. And you can see that the screen is very, very, very good. The iPad is a bit cold. My hands are a bit warm, so. But looks very good. Looks good. Here's the camera and the Apple Pencil attached. It gets attached magnetically. Looks very nice. I really like this. And the sound is very good too. So, this is the Apple iPad Air 4. Now I'm going to turn it on and to try a bit how it's going to work. Okay, time to turn it on. I'm going to turn on for the first time the iPad and I'm going to setting up. That's all this. Okay, it started. Hello. Swipe up to open. Okay. Have 96% of battery, so it's a lot. I will choose English. It's okay. Portugal. Quick start. Bring your current iPhone. No, I have not. Okay. Written by spoken languages. Okay, I put the Wi-Fi network. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. Okay, let's wait. I have time. Okay, continue. Touch ID. This is the funny part. You see here? There is this animation that asks you to put the finger there. So, let's put it. Let's unlock that. Okay, capture all your fingerprints. So I do it on every side, I edit. Okay, continue. So add another fingerprint. Okay, I will add the other one. Okay. Capture all your fingerprints. Okay, I believe it's fine. Create a password. Let me put the password only 1 second. Okay, the password is set it. Okay, apps and data. Choose how you want to transfer apps and data to this iPad. No, don't transfer nothing for now. Apple ID. It's creating my new Apple ID because I didn't have one before. So it will take a minute or two maybe. We can wait. Okay, keep your iPad up to date. There is no other option, so I have to click continue. Location service, disable location service, I don't need them. Yes, okay. I don't use iCloud Apple Chain. Screen time. Get a weekly report with insights about your screen time and set up. No, I don't need that. Analytics. Don't share. True tone display. Okay, continue. True tone, I like it. Okay, dark or light? Let's go with light for now. Okay, welcome to iPad. Get started. And here it is, the new iPad Air, 4th generation. It looks pretty good. It's very sharp. Let me focus the camera. It's pretty sharp. And I don't know, guys, but okay, I don't see a lot of difference between this iPad Air and the iPad Pro 2020. I believe this one is very good tablet for drawing, especially for reading books, for studying, for everything mostly. So it can be used on the computer, like a computer, and it have a USB Type-C, so we can use a lot of USBs here, and I have to buy one adapter, and you can use it as a computer. And this is it. Looks very good. And I have to get started with this iPad. It looks pretty good, and I tried it and was very good in the shop. And I see that personally in my hands, my iPad looks pretty great. Please follow my channel so you can stay connected and see what kind of art I'm going to create with this iPad. And of course I'm going to do a better review, and I'm going to see the specs and how it works with a pencil, of course. Now I'm going to enjoy it a little bit. I'm going to study it, how it works, and I will do another video, many other videos, of course, because I needed a tool like this for drawing, for making graphic design. Okay, I'm going to set up the pencil now. Try scribe. Okay. Oh, very good. Double tap. Done. So it's connected, 63% for the first time, connected to the iPad. So I will let the pencil charge and I will start working on it. Thank you so much guys for following. Please subscribe to my channel. I will leave the link for my Instagram. And thank you so much for watching this video. It means a lot. Please give a thumbs up if you can, if you like this video, or a thumbs down if you don't like it, because I'm a beginner. It's the first time I unbox a thing like this, so I was very excited, and I'm excited to try it now. Thank you so much for following. Have a good day.